Hello.
Hello.
Teacher, I have a question. Normally, you said that
Mm-hmm.
you don't keep any SL like stop loss in your entry, but just out of a curiosity, I want to know what will be the average cut loss pips like if suppose we are taking entry and price is not going in our favor, then what will be the average cut loss size like with how many pips will close our position?
Okay. Don't worry. I will show you also. I also wait. Where's the not this one. Not this one. Okay. This is my entry in the SNRC1. Have you watched my compounding journal in YouTube?
Yes, teacher.
This position on my main account, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so this is actually this is a SNRC2, but it doesn't went well, and I found that it's my mistake. So in my compounding, I can know that the price going to not to respect this setup. So
Okay.
when I know that the price not going to respect this setup, I will just close my position when I'm in profit, or in my main account, as you can see that I cut loss after it breaks my it close candle and breaks my entry point here.
Okay.
I
So
forgot
so
how much. It means
so
that I
whenever
still monitor.
okay. Okay. So whenever
Yeah.
it goes beyond this our marked supply or demand zone, we will need to close that. That will be our that kind of a random kind of a take loss area.
I never count it. I count how the price closed the candle.
Okay, madam.
I never
Okay.
count the bit. Yeah.
Yes. Got you, madam. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Teacher, I have a question. Just now you said that you can tell if the price will not respect that our entry. How exactly can how to do that, teacher?
Okay. This is in the. You mean this? Wait. You mean this entry?
Yeah,
You
yes,
mean this
that
one?
that, that entry. Yes.
I found out that this setup came from the major setup. This setup, I forgot. This setup, I found that it came from the H4 or maybe daily major setup. So I found out that it's not good. I started to getting scared to hold my position in my compounding account. So actually, we also have to count where the price came from. This is this is the one. Okay, you can
Oh,
see because this here I didn't show where the price came from. You can check. It's in second March, second or third March. Okay, this came from the major supply zone and their setup also there. Okay.
okay, teacher. Do you also consider the candle form, like the momentum or something like that?
I don't like momentum if I want to compound. Yeah,
Oh,
like
okay,
this
okay.
one, I don't like this kind of momentum. You know, I cannot find a proper setup
Oh,
with
no, no.
this candle.
What I mean is when price coming to our entry zone in momentum, is that also a
Oh,
sign that
yeah, that's delicious. If they take our position and then it make momentum or it came up so fast, then it's delicious. But if something like this, like I show you here, I do not recommend any entry here because we really need sideways for our compounding. Okay, like this one.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, teacher.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, so my question is, will you send like price levels, or will you send like charts and we have to set the levels ourselves?
I don't send price level. I will send exactly like this.
Exactly.
Like,
Okay.
yeah, exactly. Okay. So you know by yourself this is QM. Maybe
Okay.
I will send also my pending order, something like that. I'm not going to send analysis. Oh, the price is going down. Maybe the price will, no, I'm not going to sell. I'm going to sell my entry. Where is my mark? That is my entry.
Okay.
Okay.
So you won't send like buy limit 2 lot at 1721 like this.
Yeah, something like this. Exactly same like
Okay.
this.
Okay. Oh, like this. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any question, guys? Wait, I'm reading the chat box. Teacher, will you send us your TP? Of course. I will send you your, my TP. I do not look at the news. No, I don't. I don't like news. Teacher, are you tell us where area or zone if the price closed so we cut loss? No, I will say that cut loss now. So you have to cut loss now because I am the one who monitoring. So yeah, you have to you have to put the notification, you know? It's just 14 days, guys. Okay, always build it. Are you going to tell us whether it's buy or sell? Are you going to tell us whether it's a buy or sell? My dear, if I mark like this, it means buy. Okay, if I send you this, it means we're going to buy. We're not going to sell. Okay, if I send you like this, it means I'm going to sell, not going to buy, please. Okay?
Hello, Kak Nora. Salam to you.
Hi.
I would like to pose you a question. I understand that you'll be starting with 360 USD.
Okay.
What if due to unforeseen circumstances, I'm not able to, let's say, follow you in the first 3 trades? So what is the advice would you give to me? Let's say the equity that I should deposit in if I know that I won't be able to follow up with you for the first 3 trades.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Okay. It means that you cannot follow me on the first trade, for example. I won't be able for that, right?
Yes, that's true.
I don't know because how to say, you won't be able to follow.
So basically, like for your first 3 trade, let's say you know on the 5th of January you have 1 trade, then after that only I can follow you. I mean, I can join you on the Friday, hari Jumaat. So is that, do you know like equity, like you start from 360, so I'm not so sure by Friday how much it will be. So is it safe for you to tell me that maybe you should increase your equity to about 4,000 USD at that time? Or yes.
You mean you want to add on your equity because you cannot follow me on the first trade?
Yes, because I have difficulty.
No, don't do that, dear. Why you do that?
Oh, okay. I shouldn't do that to like catch up with you.
No, I don't know. It's up to you, but I do not recommend. Please put your notification. You have to know that I active on the during London Open. Please, I during London Open. Seriously, just for 14 days, I'm going to do this. Please,
Teacher,
don't troublesome you.
Teacher, can I answer as well, teacher?
Yeah, sure.
All right. So Farid, my suggestion is that so instead of you trying to cash up, what's the equity that you have missed or whatever setup that you have missed the previous 3 days, my suggestion you just start with 360. Then from there onwards, you just follow whatever setup that teacher posted, and you calculate the equity based on whatever equity that you have, divide by 600. So like, oh yeah, Kevin, you're right. Kevin, just start following the 4 day, use the balance, whatever balance that you have, you divide by 600. So the formula is whatever equity that you have, but it must be a leverage of 500, you must always divide by 600. So that's what teacher Nora is going to do. So if you miss the trade, okay, you know what, I miss it, now I'll wait for next one. Then I did whatever equity that I have, I just divide by 600. So the chances are of you reaching 100,000, teacher might reach 100,000, but you have yet to reach 100,000. That will be the variance. But teacher will not suggest you to pump in your own equity. Do you get it, Farid?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you. Thanks for the explanation.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Hi, Terry. Yeah. So after every trade, do we need to calculate the lot size dividing equity by 600?
Yeah, that's right. It's an indication, because sometimes when teacher posted like buy limit at 20 lot, oh, okay, then you know roughly that teacher have actually reached the equity how much. So there will be a slight difference due to the spread, due to the position. Yeah, so there will be a slight difference. So we can't be exactly, probably teacher that now at 12,000, maybe we are like 10,000 only. So there will be a slight difference. All right.
Okay, got you. Terry.
Okay,
Thank
welcome.
you. Thank you.
Back to teacher. Yeah.
Okay, guys, any question?
Yeah, hello, teacher.
Hello.
So your style of trading is basically more like a scalper. Is that correct?
No, I more to not only scalp. It's a scalp and intraday. I like to do intraday, but I seldom do swing. Yeah, so in the compounding we scalp, but please don't be scared. I'm not going to use M1. Okay, I'm not going to use M1. Maybe M5 or yeah, but mostly M15 and above. Yeah, but I don't do scalp. I mean like crazy ass scalp, something like M1. Okay. Yeah, like this one. This one is intraday. Okay. And we reach our desired equity and then we close. Yeah, something like that. I don't if you see here, I don't really scalp here. I scalp on my first wait, yeah. This one is in M5. I scalp on my first trade in compounding. Yeah, this one only. Okay. Don't worry, I seldom scalp. Mostly intraday. Okay. So guys, any question?
Teacher, how is your first compounding project? Like what is your biggest challenge? Can you share with us?
Okay, you mean during my first time on compounding?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, my first time compounding was with my mentor. He the one who taught me about psychology, about emotions and all that. And my experience, when I reached $10,000, I begged him, I told him, please let me withdraw $5,000 and another 5,000 I'm going to compound. But unfortunately, that time he didn't allow me. He said that if you withdraw $5,000, I'm not going to talk to you anymore. So yeah, that's the biggest challenge. The more money you get, the more fear you will face. Like not kind of fear that you're going. I mean like the fear that you're going, because you know you will protect your equity. You will you will over protect with your equity, and you're afraid that you're going to lose this $10,000. So even if you notice, you know, most traders, when they reach, actually they plan they're going to trade until 100,000, but when they start to reach 10,000 or 20,000, they start to smallen their lot because they're afraid they're going to lose this money. And some of them, when they reach 10,000, they will get greedy, and after that they lost all this 10,000. If you heard that, you know, some traders experience that. So, you know, this is the biggest challenge. The more money you get, the more fear you will face. And then after that, you will just withdraw your money and protect your money, and you will say, oh, I'm going to compound it in any other day after that. Okay, so it's my biggest challenge and my biggest, like my experience. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay. And some traders, they ask me that, teacher, if I reach 5,000 or 10,000, can I withdraw 1,000 just to protect my capital? And then I said, it's up to you, actually. It's up to you, but just don't blame me if you didn't reach 100,000 when I stop. Okay. All right. Any other questions?
Hi, teacher. I'm just
Hi.
asking, why 14 days?
Why 14 days? Because my mentor can do it within 4 days only, from 1,000 to 100,000. So 14 days is too long to reach 100,000 from 360. So yeah, I think 14 days is enough. And why? What do you think? You mean 14 days is too short or it's too long for you?
I'm not sure. That's why I'm just asking. I'm just curious.
Oh, teacher, I think no one experienced 100,000 in 14 days. That's why they're all very curious.
I see. Yeah.
Yeah, teacher. Yeah,
Actually, my previous compounding, I expect I'm going to reach my desired equity within 14 days. But I was fortunate that time. I reached only 8 days. So yeah, maybe you will reach earlier than 14 days, or maybe you will reach exactly 14 days. I don't know. I don't know how the market goes in next January. So see how it goes then.
Yeah, teacher will trade what she see on the chart. She's not a fortune teller, yeah. So she definitely not a fortune teller. So whatever the chart gives her, then she will chart. If example the first she says starts on 5th of January. Suddenly 5th of January is a momentum day, so there's no setup. So we have to wait. We have to wait until there's a position, or setups. Otherwise she don't trade at all. So please bear that in mind. She's not a fortune teller. Don't blame her when you lost the 360 USD. So please manage your expectation. Please do manage your expectation, yeah.
Teacher, can I ask you a question?
Mm-hmm.
How do you know that the price going to be sideways after a momentum?
How do I know the price going to sideways? When the price suddenly I found out that the price the price is too generous making setups, then I know that this price is making sideways, just like this. The price making sideways. Can't you see that? Okay, and then in the lower time frame, this is H4. In the lower time frame, price makes setup direction. They are too generous. So this one, I know that price is making sideways. Yeah, we really need this kind of movement. You know, I hate this, something like this, or something like this. I hate momentum. It really disturbed my compounding. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
not only,
so-
not, so on top of teacher's answer, just to share with all of you, teacher have done 35,000 back tests. So I think through her experience and 35,000 back tests, she's able to detect the momentum. So this, I mean, it's a good question, because how do we detect all that things? I mean, other than that, it's all full of back tests. 35,000 till now, I have yet to reach 10,000 as well. So I'm teacher, I'm amazing. So back to you, teacher.
Thank you.